Hello dear student, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 4. Student, in my previous video we have already learned about the wattage describing word. So student, now today's video I'm going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your Tune into Grammar book and open chapter 4 on page number 22. So student, the topic of this chapter is describing word that we already learned. So student, tell me what is describing word? So we have to learn that words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or things are called describing words. And we have learned that it also called adjective. Okay student, and adjective also describe how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. So dear student, we have already completed this given activity. Now moving to the exercises. So here is the given first exercise is exercise A. Dear student, it is very important for you that you have to learn the definition of describing words, and you have also learned about this given important information, that is we learned that building is old, the boy is tall, the sister is little, the cloud is white, the boat is small and the sea is blue. We have to learn in previous video. This is all given sentences, and we have a knowledge that words like old, tall, little, white, small and blue are known as describing words. Okay student, so now moving to the exercises. So there is a first exercise is exercise A. In exercise A there is fill in the blanks with describing words from the box. So in this box, as you can see, there is a describing word. So you have to choose the correct suitable describing words, and after that one by one you have to write down on the given blanks. Okay student, so there is a first in number 1, a dash boy. A dash boy. So student, tell me what is the quality of a boy? So a boy is tall. So we have to write here tall. We have to choose the word from the box, that is tall, and after that we have to write on the given blanks, that is a tall boy. What is the spelling of tall? T-A-L-L, tall. Okay. Now the next second is and dash woman. A dash woman. So student, what will be write here? So we have to write here old. An old woman. Okay. What the spelling of old? O-L-D, old. Now the next third is a dash girl. A dash girl. So student, we have to write here a fat girl. What the spelling of fat? F-A-T, fat. Okay. Number 4 is the dash sky. So student, tell me what the color of sky? Do you know that? You know very well the color of sky. The color of sky is blue. So we have to write here blue. Okay. What the spelling of blue? So the spelling of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. Now the next stage, number 5. In number 5, a dash boat. Student, a dash boat. So what will we write on the given blanks? So on the given blanks we have to write small. We have to write small. What the spelling of small? S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay. Now the next, number 6, a dash chair. A dash chair. So student, tell me what will we write on the given blanks? So we have to write here broken. Okay. A broken chair. What the spelling of broken? B-R-O-K-E-N, broken. What the spelling of broken? B-R-O-K-E-N, broken. Now the next, number 7, a dash sweater. So student, you all know very well that sweater made by woolen. So we have to write here woolen. Okay, what the spelling of woolen? W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Okay, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. a woolen sweater. Now the next number 8 is a dash table. Student, there is a dash table, so we have to write on the blanks wooden, okay, because table is made by wood, so we have to write here wooden. What is the spelling of wooden? Wooden, wooden. Okay student. Now the number 9, a dash park, a dash park. So student, what will we write on the given blanks? We have to write green. What is the spelling of green? Green, green. Okay, what is the spelling of green? So the spelling of green is Green, green. Now the 10th, a dash tree, a dash tree. So student, what will we write on the given blank? So we have to write big. Okay, we have to write big, a big tree. Okay student. So like this you have to complete this first exercise of this chapter, that is fill in the blanks. So one more time we are going to check. In number 1 we have to write tall, in second old, in third fat, number 4th blue, number 5th small, number 6 broken, number 7 woolen, number 8 wooden, number 9 green, number 10 big. So like this you have to write. Okay, now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So student, what will we do in exercise B? So in exercise B, encircle the describing words. So student, as we all know that describing word describe the quality of a person, animal, place or things. It also describe about the someone or something looks, taste, feels, smells or sounds. Okay, so we have to encircle the describing word which is given in this given sentences. Okay, which is given this given sentences. So student, this is first, these are tiny chicks. These are tiny chicks. So in this sentence the given describing word is tiny. So we have to circle the given word tiny. In second, I have pink eraser. So in this sentence the describing word is pink. It describes the color. Okay, and first in number 1 there is a tiny, it describing the size. In number 3, she is wearing a green frock. She is wearing a green frock. So again in this sentence there is a describing word is green, that is described to color. Now the next, moving to the next, number 4. So come to the page number 24. So student, in number 4 this the dog has a curly tail. The dog has a curly tail. So in this sentence there is a describing word curly. Okay, the describing word is curly. Now next, number 5, she is a thin girl. She is a thin girl. So in this sentence the given word thin is a describing word because it describes the shape of a girl, the size of a girl. Okay, the girl is a thin. Now the number 6, my grandmother tells me funny stories. My grandmother tells me funny stories. So student, in this given sentence the describing word is funny, which is described to story. That story is funny. So now next is number 7. In number 7, it is a hot summer. Student, tell me which word is a describing word in this given sentence. So it is hot. Okay, hot summer. It describes to summer, that summer is hot. Now the next, number 8. In number 8 there is, these are sweet mangoes. These are sweet mangoes. So student, there is a describing word is sweet because it describes to mangoes, that mangoes are sweet. So we have to circle the given word sweet. In number 9, my mother made me tasty pasta. My mother made me tasty pasta. So student, the given word tasty is describing word. It describes the taste of pasta. So now the next, in number 10, PU has long hair. PU has long hair. So in number 10 there is a given word. Long is a describing word which is describe the strength of hair. Okay. So student, one more time we're going to check. In number 1, we have to circle the given word tiny. In second, pink. In third, green. In fourth, curly. In 5, thin. In 6, funny. In 7, hot. In number 8, sweet. In number 9, tasty. And the last one in number 10 is long. So these are the example of describing words. We have to circle the given describing word in these given sentences. Okay. So student, it will be completed. So dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete your books with the help of this video. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you everyone.